Welcome to Bike Future Hub, a cinematic shot of the 2025 Honda Shadow 750, rolling down an open highway with the sunset in the background. The deep rumble of the engine sets the tone as the bike cruises effortlessly. The camera slowly zooms in on the rider gripping the handlebars, leather jacket fluttering in the wind. There's something timeless about a cruiser, and the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 brings that classic feel with a perfect blend of modern engineering. This bike is built for those who appreciate style, comfort, and a powerful ride. It embodies Honda's commitment to performance while staying true to the cruiser's old-school aesthetics. The first thing you notice about the Honda Shadow 750 is its bold presence. From the front, the aggressive yet elegant stance is defined by its classic round headlamp, now featuring LED technology for improved visibility. The slightly raked-out front forks give it that relaxed cruiser appeal, while the fender hugs the front wheel tightly, enhancing its muscular look. The chrome accents on the fork covers and handlebars provide a premium finish, reinforcing its identity as a refined cruiser. From the side, the silhouette of the Shadow 750 showcases its true cruiser essence. The low-slung seat, wide handlebars, and elongated fuel tank create a stretched-out look, designed for long, comfortable rides. The blacked-out engine, paired with chrome highlights, adds a touch of aggression without losing the sophisticated appeal. The exhaust pipes followed the bike's flow, curving downwards before sweeping back up, giving it that signature cruiser character. At the rear, the bike keeps things sleek and simple. The fender hugs the rear wheel, complementing the flowing lines of the design. The LED taillight is seamlessly integrated into the structure, maintaining a clean and polished appearance. The twin rear shocks are subtly placed, ensuring a smooth ride without disrupting the aesthetics. Underneath the stylish exterior, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is powered by a refined 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This engine delivers smooth, predictable power, making it ideal for both city rides and open highways. Honda's fuel injection system ensures optimal fuel delivery, enhancing efficiency and throttle response. The 5-speed transmission provides seamless gear shifts, and the shaft-driven system minimizes maintenance while offering a smooth, linear power delivery. When it comes to performance, the Shadow 750 doesn't disappoint. The low-end torque is perfect for relaxed cruising, while the engine's smooth nature allows for effortless acceleration. The comfortable riding position ensures minimal fatigue on long journeys, and the well-tuned suspension absorbs bumps with ease. The braking system, featuring a front disc and rear drum setup, provides reliable stopping power, balancing safety with classic cruiser aesthetics. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 offers incredible value for a mid-size cruiser. With a price range that remains competitive in its class, it appeals to both new riders looking for their first cruiser and experienced riders seeking a dependable, stylish machine. Honda has maintained a balance between affordability and premium features, making this bike a solid investment. For those who love the spirit of cruising, the Honda Shadow 750 is a machine that delivers beyond expectations. It captures the soul of a classic cruiser while embracing modern enhancements for reliability and comfort. Whether you're hitting the highway for an open-road adventure or enjoying a smooth city ride, this bike offers the perfect combination of power, style, and ease of use. If you're looking for a motorcycle that embodies freedom with a touch of nostalgia, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is definitely worth considering.